So hi guys, welcome to my channel. Now I'm gonna show you how to create a new account and set password in PC. And in the second part, we will see how to break the Windows password if we forgot the password and if you are logged out of the Windows in PC. So first part, so we are gonna see how to create the account and we are gonna set password. So first go to settings. Settings. Then go to accounts. Go to accounts. Then we should go to sign in options. This is the account which has already been created by installation of the OS. So I'm gonna first set the account for that one. For the default account, I'm gonna set password for the default account. So just create ad. Now create the password. Create the password so that you will be it will be not so easy forgettable. So I'm creating it. So okay, so I have created it. Now I'm gonna create another account. Another account. So before creating account, just switch off the internet or take out the Ethernet cable before creating account, or else it will ask to configure Microsoft account and all. So okay, so now go to family and others, and now I'm creating another account. Just give a name and even password. So I now created and I'm restarting the computer. I actually set the password. This is the second part which we are gonna do. Now actually I forgot the password. I'm trying to log in, but it's not logging. So I am switching off the computer, shutting down. So now we will see how to bypass this window. So it's a virtual machine I'm using. So I'm gonna load the Windows password recovery tool in my CD, virtual machine CD. If you are loading it in the real PC, means first create a bootable USB and load your Windows password recovery tool in it. Okay, I will give you in the description like how to create bootable USB with the password recovery tool. You can read in description. You can watch it. So first, before we are going switching on, we should first change the booting priority. Go to the BIOS setup and change it. I'm changing it. So I am staying on the computer. And now Windows password recovery tool opens. I'm creating this Windows 10 roles ahead. Now I'm gonna reset my password, so I'm clicking that and clicking next. Now I'm gonna choose my account. I have an account called Guru, so I'm gonna remove the password for that one. So now I'm selecting the Guru account, and now I'm gonna selecting the remove password, and now I'm clicking next. Okay, so I'm gonna give a restart the computer. I'm gonna restart it because I'm gonna change. I'm gonna also change the password for the other account. I'm gonna remove the password for other account. Actually, that account was created like as a backup account. If we forget that one account's password, means we can log in via another account and clear the password. But if you have also forgot that password, that in another account password also, so now we are doing Windows password recovery. Clicking that account, and now I am clicking remove the password. I'm now clicking next. So it's been removed. Now we will switch off the computer, and also after switching off the computer, you should remove the pen drive or CD. If you are doing real PC, just remove the pen drive or CD. And also you should go to the BIOS setup, and you should change the boot option. I'm giving restart later, so that I'm just switching off my PC. Just showing installation. I'm just switching it off. So now I'm gonna press the first if you're on your PC in real times. If you switch on your PC, after the manufacturing logo, some function key will show up like F12 or F8, whichever the booting hotkey it is. You should press that and go. You should press that and you should go to the BIOS setup. Go to the BIOS setup, and then you should go to the boot and should change the priority. So if you removable device means it should come down and hard drive should come up. That is the same procedure which you should do by using this recovery tool also. So thank you.